The security department in the hotel industry ensures the safety and security of guests, staff, and property. Here are key positions in the security area of a hotel along within this description. Security manager oversees the entire security operations of the hotel, ensuring safety protocols and implementing and followed. Develop and enforce security policies and procedures, conducts regular risk assessment and security audits, supervises the security team and provides training, liaises with local authorities in case of emergencies or incidents, monitors security systems, CCTV, access control, alarms, etc. Assistant security manager supports the security manager in daily security operations and team management, coordinates security activities and schedule shifts for staff, handles guest complaints or incidents related to safety, assists in investigation and maintains record of incidents, and monitors surveillance systems to report irregularities.